You got lazy because I kept bouncing it to the same spot. Don't get lazy now. Don't make assumptions. You're starting to make assumptions instead of fielding the ball. Don't make assumptions. Field the ball. That short hop kicking your ass. There's one on the side of my truck.
Okay.
See, don't slip. That's you slapped at it. Okay, that soft elbow prevents the ball from popping out. Receive it, okay? Don't slap. We're a work in progress. All right. Backhand.
Yeah.
You can move your feet. They move. You gotta read.
Yeah. Kind of different from the last two. For those soft ones, would I just move my feet?
You can get to the forehand. If you can get to the forehand, you get to the forehand. All right?
Make it regular.
On the forehand. Hit your bucket. Exchange with your throwing hand. I want to see you make the exchange with your throwing hand. Put it in the bucket. Don't get comfortable now. All right? Don't lean back. Be aggressive.
Yeah.
All right?
Didn't know what was coming after that.
There's a ball back there. Yeah, wait for it. Soft elbow, wait for it. Backhand.
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 I could have got it.
I want to see you work on that backhand though. Work on the skill.
Okay.